Hey everyone, in this video I am going to talk about Dify. What is Dify? If you are new here or just exploring what is Dify can really do, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the Dify platform from setting up your first project to using your advanced features like APIs and real-time monitoring. Now, whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your workflow, you are in the right place. So let's just get started. Now, first thing first, what is Dify? Dify is the super handy platform that helps you to build, automate, and manage the chatbots and workflows without all the usual tech hustle. Now, it's designed to give you full control whether you are sending a sample message or pulling live data from APIs. The whole platform is built around customization, automation, and efficiency. Now, to really get started, you have to just simply click on this get started after coming on this defyai.ai. Just click on this get started and now log in after that. Now I have already logged in and I have already created a workflow which is I uses this create from template. If you want to create from blank, you can just simply click on the blank. If you are a new user and you are exploring Dify, what is Dify, just simply click on the create from template. So I have already created a template, so this is the basic. The After choosing a template, you will get to see this. You will see a clean, minimal dashboard, nothing too overwhelming. Now, on the left side, you will say find a menu, stuff like orchestrate, API access, logs, and monitoring, and many more things. These are control panel for building, tracking, and improving your chat flows. We will start with the most important one,
with plate or
orchestrate.
straight.
Think of
Example
Orchestrate as
sentence.
your
I'll
workflow
show you how to
design studio.
orchestrate an
This
entire
is where you
chatbot
build your
flow using
chatbot
voice flow.
logic, drag,
Want me to
drop,
give you a few
or
more
connect.
words like
As you can see here, you can connect all of these things in the Orchestrate. You can start from scratch and build a flow using blocks like sending message, collecting inputs, making decisions, or even calling an API. Want your chatbot to send an email? There is a block for that. Need to be query your CRM system? Yep, there is a block for that too. Connecting block is simple. Just drag lines from block to another and you have defined the conversation flow. Let's talk about testing and publication. Once your chat flow looks the way you want, it's time to test it. Dify has a built-in preview tool so you can see exactly how your chatbot will behave before it goes live. It is super useful for spotting issues or fine-tuning the flow. If you want to access the preview option, just simply go in the top. You will get to see run or preview option. In my case, I'm able to see this run option. So if you are using a different workspace, you will get to see this preview option. Just simply click on this and start run. You will get to see a preview, which is if something goes bad, you can come over here again and fix that problem and you can preview again. After previewing, and if you are satisfied with this workspace and you want to publish, just simply click on this publish button in the top right corner. And the best part, you can tweak and republish anytime without any downtime. So simply, if I want to just publish update, just simply click on the publish update and it is this activity has been succeeded. So if I make some changes over here in my workspace and then I have to, if I want to make publish again, it will give me the option of publish update. So it will update all of the things which we have uh, changed in the workflow. So now let's talk about integration and external tools. Now, if your chatbot needs to connect with like tools like payment system, CRMs or other apps, Defy has your back. Just head to add block. In the bottom, you will get to see add block. From here, You can choose an integration, configure it, and you are done. It is perfect for your team that rely on third-party tools. Now, for example, if I choose this one, just simply drag this out over here, and from here you can just change in the tools in the tool. So this is the advantage of Dify. So let's talk about API access for developers. Now, in the left side, you will get to see this API access. Just simply click on that. Now for the tech savvy folks, Dify gives you full API access. You can use this to automate tasks, connect external system, or pull data from your workflow. Or and there is a detailed documentation, you can read it. And so even if you are new to coding, you can get up and running by yourself. Now let's talk about logs, annotation, and monitoring. If you see in the left side, after the API access, you will get to see this log option. Dify doesn't just help you to build, it helps you to keep track of everything. Now, logs show you what's happening inside your workflow. Now, annotation let you to leave notes or reminds. Great for teams. Now, monitoring gives you real-time data like completion, user engagement, and more. You can even set alert if something breaks or slow down. It's like having a performance dashboard for your bots. As you can see here, I can manage total messages, active users, token usage, and user instructions. So it will help a lot me to monitor all the stuff I want. Let's talk about the explore section. If you are curious about a new templates, cool integration or feature you haven't tried yet, check out the explore sections. Over here, it's a great place to discover what is possible and expand your chatbot's capabilities. For example, I can add this GPT research engine into my workflow. I will get to see these different types of exception handling, which is different type of exception handling. This is used to demonstrate how the downstream of the failed branch defines. So it is very it is useful app you can add to your workflow. Just simply click on the add to workspace. It will add on your workspace. Now let's talk about knowledge and tools. Just simply click on the knowledge. The knowledge section is lets you to feed data into your chatbot. Now, either by uploading a text or using real-time web book for LLMs. This means your chatbot gets smarter and more context with every interaction. And in this tool section, you will find all the extra settings like and features you need to fine tune or configure your workflow just the way you want. In the knowledge section, you can create a knowledge, import your own text data to write real time via VBook or LLM context. If you want to add, just connect to an external knowledge base. Just simply click over here and it will ask you the external knowledge name. Just give a name, give a description, and give the knowledge API over here. Just click on the plus over this icon, and over here you can add name, API endpoint, and API key as well. Now if you talk about tools, you will get to see you will get this code interpreter and current time audio web scraper. So you will get to see these this is basically a marketplace where you can find some productive tools to for your workspace. So so that's it, full tour for Dify, from creating your first chatbot to managing it like a pro. With a feature like orchestrate, API access, and monitoring, all those customizable blocks. Defy gives you the power to build a seamless smart workflow that just works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments.